Ever heard of that feeling? You're scrolling through social media, minding your own business, when bam, an ad pops up about cryptocurrency. It promises easy money, life-changing gains, and a chance to finally be your own boss. But then, a voice in the back of your head whispers, "Is this legit?" Well, today we're diving into one specific platform, Newton Crypto. Is it safe to buy crypto on Newton, especially in Canada? Buckle up, because we're separating fact from fiction. The rise of crypto in Canada, 015 to 045. Let's face it, cryptocurrency is booming in Canada. From coffee shops accepting Bitcoin to mainstream media buzzing about NFTs, it's hard to ignore. But with this growing interest comes a crucial question: how do you, as a Canadian, get involved in a safe and legal way? There are a bunch of crypto exchanges out there, each with its own set of rules and regulations. That's where Newton comes in. They claim to be a user-friendly platform specifically designed for Canadians. But is using Newton legal? Understanding crypto regulations in Canada, 045 to 130. Before we dissect Newton, let's take a quick detour to understand the legal landscape of cryptocurrency in Canada. Unlike some countries with stricter policies, Canada has taken a welcoming approach. The Canadian government recognizes crypto as a digital asset, and there are no restrictions on buying or selling it. However, there's a catch. The Canadian Securities Commission, OSC, keeps a watchful eye on crypto trading platforms. These platforms need to register with the OSC to operate legally. This ensures consumer protection and helps prevent money laundering or other financial crimes. Is Newton registered with the OSC? 130 to 215. Alright, here's the good news. Newton Crypto is registered with the OSC, not just in some provinces, but across all of Canada. You can find them listed on the OSC's official registry. This is a big thumbs up because it signifies that Newton adheres to certain regulatory standards. But hold on a minute, there's more to the story. Remember, registration is just one piece of the puzzle. Let's explore some additional factors that contribute to the legitimacy of a crypto exchange. Security measures and user protection, 2:15 to 3 o'clock. Security is paramount when dealing with any online financial platform. Thankfully, Newton seems to take security seriously. They boast features like two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of protection when logging into your account. Additionally, they claim to store user crypto assets in cold storage, meaning they're kept offline and away from potential hackers. While these security measures are positive signs, it's always wise to do your own research. Look for independent reviews and audits that assess the platform's overall security posture. Transparency and reputation, 3 to 345. Transparency goes a long way in building trust. Does Newton clearly outline their fees, terms of service, and how they handle user data? A reputable platform should have this information readily available on their website. Here's a bonus tip: check online forums and communities to see what other Canadians are saying about their experience with Newton. Hearing first-hand accounts from users can be incredibly valuable. Alternatives to Newton, 345 to 415. Let's be honest, Newton isn't the only crypto exchange out there. There are a variety of platforms available to Canadians, each with its own pros and cons. Some might offer a wider range of cryptocurrencies, while others might have lower fees. The key takeaway? Do your research and compare different exchanges before making a decision. There's no one-size-fits-all solution, so find a platform that aligns with your specific needs and risk tolerance. Final thoughts: is Newton legit? 415 to 445. So, here's the verdict. Based on its OSC registration, security features, and overall transparency, Newton appears to be a legitimate platform for buying and selling cryptocurrency in Canada. However, remember, the crypto market is ever-evolving, and regulations can change. Stay informed and invest wisely. 4:45 to 5 o'clock. No matter which platform you choose, stay informed about crypto regulations and market trends. Cryptocurrency can be a volatile investment, so never invest more than you can afford to lose. Call to action, 5 to 5:15. Did